Hello my friends! In this tutorial you will learn how to crochet star stitch. This stitch is simple to do because we repeat just 2 rows. In this tutorial I'm going to do it in more colors, but you can do it in one color if you want to. You can use any yarn you like and recommended hook for those yarn. I will use cotton yarn 125 meters in 50 grams and 3.5 millimeters hook. This pattern we will start with any odd numbers of chains. I will start with chain 15. First do slip knot, and it is not count as chain. This is chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I made chain 15 and you do odd numbers of chain you need. We start round 1. Skip last chain, go to next, grab the yarn and pull through. Go into next chain, grab the yarn and pull through. Into next, grab the yarn, pull through, and into next, and then into next. We should to have 6 loops on the hook. Grab the yarn and pull through all 6 loops on the hook. Do chain 1 and we did first star. Now go into this space where we did last chain, into this eye, grab the yarn and pull through. Now go into this place where we have these 6 loops. Go into last loop, grab the yarn and pull through. Now go down into the same chain which we use in previous star. Grab the yarn and pull through. And now we have next 2 free chains. Go into first chain, pull through, and then into next chain and pull through. We have 6 loops on the hook again. Grab the yarn and pull through all 6 loops. Do chain 1 and this was second star. Now repeat. Go into this eye, grab the yarn and pull through. Go into this last loop of 6. Grab the yarn and pull through. Then go into chain which we use in previous star. Grab the yarn and pull through. And now we will use these 2 free chains. Go into first chain and pull through, and into second chain and pull through. We have 6 loops on the hook. grab the yarn and pull through all 6 loops. Do chain 1, and this was 3rd star. Then repeat. Pull through once, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 6 loops again. Grab the yarn and pull through all loops. Then do chain 1 and do next star. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull through all 6 loops. Do chain 1. On the end, we should to have 1 free chain. Yarn over, go into last chain and do 1 half double crochet. So pull through all 3 loops on the hook. We completed round 1. And we start round 2 by making chain 2. Then turn your work. Go into first stitch, yarn over, and do 1 half double crochet. Now we are going to do 2 half double crochets into every eye. Yarn over, go into first eye and do first half double crochet, yarn over, into same eye, do second half double crochet. Then go into next eye and do first half double crochet and second half double crochet. Into next eye, first half double crochet and second. First and second. This is my last eye. On the end we have this chain 1 space, and here we do 1 half double crochet. Yarn over, go there, grab the yarn and pull through. If your project is in multicolor, this is the place where we will change the color. But if you do it in one color, then just do 1 half double crochet. I will change the color now, so take the new color, grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops. Then do chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. First 2 rows looks like this, and now we started round 3. Skip first chain, go into next, pull through, then go into next chain, grab the yarn, pull through, then go into first stitch from previous round, grab the yarn, pull through, go into next free stitch, pull through, and into next free stitch and pull through. We have 6 loops on the hook, grab the yarn and pull through all loops. Then do chain 1 and repeat. Go into this eye, pull through second, go into the same stitch which we used in previous star, grab the yarn, pull through, and now we have these 2 free stitches. Go into first and into second, then pull through all 6 loops on the hook. Do chain 1 and again pull through 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then pull through all loops and do chain 1. Repeat this until end of the round. This is my last star. Do chain 1, yarn over, go into last free stitch and do 1 half double crochet. Round 3 is done. Round 4, start by making chain 2, then turn, yarn over, go into last half double crochet and do 1 more half double crochet. And now we are going to do 2 half double crochets into every eye. This is these places. Go into first eye and do first half double crochet. Then into the same eye, second half double crochet. Into next eye, do 2 half double crochets and continue to do 2 half double crochets into every eye until you reach to the end of the round. This is my last eye. And now into this chain 1 space, do 1 half double crochet. Round 4 is done. But if you change the color, then do not complete this last stitch, but take new color and then pull through all 3 loops. Do chain 3, turn, skip last chain, go into next, pull through, then pull through next chain, go into first stitch in previous round, pull through, then into next stitch and into next stitch. Then pull through all 6 loops and do chain 1. And then just repeat last 2 rounds. Continue to follow the pattern by yourself until you get the length you need. Thank you very much for watching and good luck with your crochet project. Bye bye!